model, 2011 Ford Transit 115 T330M rear-wheel drive body, white, panel van mileage, 182910 MOT, 4 April 2024 engine, 2401 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ-C transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect, slight whine from the rear diff will need replacing, clutch is all good. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999